All right, so these are going to be your notes over simplifying algebraic expressions. I would suggest copying these down in your notebook. So the first thing that you're always going to want to do whenever we see an algebraic expression is you're going to want to KCC. So for example, if we have negative 3x squared minus 2x plus 4 minus 3. So what you're going to want to do first is you're going to want to keep change whenever we see subtraction. So I see a subtraction here, and I see a subtraction here. This one right here is not subtraction, so that's just saying negative. Okay, so we're going to have a negative 3x squared plus a negative 2x plus 4 plus a negative 3. And then what we're going to do is, since all of our like terms are already chunked together, we don't need to reorganize. So I don't see any other x squared, so I'm just going to have negative 3x squared plus, I don't see any other x's, so I'm going to have a negative 2x. And then I have plus 4 plus negative 3. Okay, let me use my rules for adding. So same signs, add and keep, different signs, subtract. They want a positive number and a negative number, so I'm going to subtract. So 4 minus 3 I know is 1. And I know it's going to be positive because my bigger number is positive. So after I simplify, it should be like that. Right? We'll say that was example 1. So example 2, if I have negative 4 plus a negative 3x plus 2x minus 5. Well, actually, we'll change this to a plus and negative 5. All right, well, let's see where we have subtraction. Well, in front of my negative 4, that's a negative sign, plus a negative 3x, so that's not subtraction, plus 2x, plus a negative 5. Okay, so there's no where that I need to keep change because there's no subtraction. So now all I have to do is I just have to reorganize my numbers. So I'm going to start with the x's first. So I'm going to put negative 3x, so I got that from right here, plus 2x, plus, can't forget the signs, I have a negative 4 and a negative 5, so plus a negative 4 plus a negative 5. Okay. Well, I only can add like terms, so I'm first going to look at my x's. Think of your algebra tiles. So I have negative 3x plus 2x. So those are different signs, so I'm going to subtract. So we left with a negative 1x plus, these are the same signs over here, so I'm going to add negative 9. I could also write that as negative x plus negative 9. Either one of those work. So all we're doing here is we're simplifying. So whether you want to think of it like the algebra tiles, you want to think of it using our rules, either one works.